Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi! Hello, Prof. MJ. Happy birthday sa'yo. I declare supernatural breakthroughs upon your life, your network, and syempre sa mga leaders mo. Expect miracles after miracles sa birthday mo ngayon. Syempre after your birthday and this year 2024, alam ko madaming gagawin si Creator sa buhay mo. And I know for sure na in His right time, magiging successful ka. Yan. And syempre pagkakaloob yun sa'yo ni Allah. And may Allah grant you wisdom and long and satisfying life for the coming years at na mas marami ka pang ma-inspired, mas marami ka pang matutulungan ng mga new leaders under your team, Team Lemmy. And syempre mas madami ka pang makikilala at lalo-lalo na makukuha mo pa yung pangarap mo. Yun lang, thank you so much and happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Kuya MJ, and I wish you all the best for the CHNY Ultimax community. And yun lang, bye! Happy birthday, Coach MJ. I wish you be good. Yun lang, bye!
This is Jessie Beltihamo. Mag-greet ako kay Prof. MJ Halili. Happy birthday to you, Prof. Then, wish ko sa'yo is more birthdays to come, more blessings to come. Stay ka lang kung anong meron ka ngayon na pagiging mabait, pagiging pogi. Then, huwag kang magbabago kahit ano man yung marating mo sa buhay. Then, lagi ka lang tumutulong sa lahat ng tao. This is your day and be happy and God bless you always, Prof. I'm happy for you. I love you, Prof. Then happy birthday to you.
Hi Prof. MJ, my idol. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. More blessings to come, good health always, and more business partner. Enjoy your day, Prof. MJ, from us, Colliantes family. God bless and keep safe always.
Happy birthday, Prof. MJ Halili. So this is my birthday greetings para sa'yo. May God grant your birthday wishes today. Lahat ng mga pangarap mo ay matutupad. Always ka lang sa pagiging mabait, pagiging humble sa sarili, and always be handsome. Yan, mag-iingat ka palagi dyan. Then, huwag mong pababayaan yung sarili mo. Enjoy your birthday today. Again, happy birthday, Prof. MJ Halili. Sumabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Greetings from Unstoppable. Happy birthday, Prof. MJ Halili. Isa ka sa mga masisipag at talaga namang grabe, you're a great leader. Kaya enjoy your birthday today. At wish ko na declare ko na sobrang marami ka pang makreate lalo na mga great leaders worldwide. Kaya, happy birthday, Prof. And I love you.
Happy birthday, Prof. MJ from Eagles family. We love you.
Hello, good day. Assalamualaikum sa ating kapatid na Muslim na si Coach MJ Halili. Happy birthday sa iyo, and I wish na more blessing to come under your organization ngayong this coming 2024. I hope na marami ka pang matulungan ng mga OFWs, local and abroad, and ipagpatuloy mo lang yung nasimulan mo. Okay? Wag kang papayag na hindi mo siya matupad. Kaya ituloy-tuloy ka lang kasi nakakasigurado ako ngayong this coming 2024, isa ka na sa part ng Million Circle ng Empowered Consumerism. Again, maligayang kaarawan, Coach MJ.
Alright, and so good day, and siyempre po gusto ko lang pong batiin na napakahalagang araw na po ito sa namahal nating kapatirang Muslim na happy birthday MJ Halili. Wish ko lang na na patuloy ka lang, no, na mag-grow, and siyempre na makamit mo yung pangarap mo, and siyempre na marami ka pang matulungan na katulad ko na nakapagsaksi na sobrang bait mong tao. At yun lang, enjoy your day and dumayo ka at magparami at patuloy kang magpa-inspire ng maraming tao. Again, happy birthday. God bless you.
Ayan, good morning. So, nais ko lang batiin ng ating butihing business partner. Walang iba, ang gwapugi ng CHMI. So, Brother MG, wishing you a happy birthday with lots of love, happiness, and success. I've already made sure you are awesome. So I wish you keep this awesomeness for all your next year in life. Of course, have a good business year, brother. I love you.
Hi! Good morning! Good day! And hello, Prof. MG, happy birthday! Hope you have more birthday to come in your life. Happy birthday! And I wish your birthday, marami ka pang mararating sa buhay mo. Lahat ng pangarap mo matutupad. Lahat ng kung ano man yung mga ways mo sa buhay ay matutupad. God's will. Inshallah, andyan si Allah, laging gumagabay sa'yo. At sana maging tuloy-tuloy yung mga productive mo sa mga pangarap mo. Sana basta wish ko na maganda at parating na yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Prof. MG. So God bless. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Prof. MG. More candles to glow and stay safe always. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. Happy birthday, Prof. MJ. Wish ko more blessing 2024 and sana mas marami ka pang matulungan, hindi lang katulad namin. Stay pogi lang, Prof. Joke. And happy birthday again. Yun lang. God bless.
Good day, CHMI community. So, ayan na, happy birthday kay Aptan MG Pierre Halili. Happy birthday, insan. Kila amon kumukher, inadalike. So, ayan, inshallah, lahat ng mga goal mo sa buhay mo, lahat ng mga pangarap mo at matutupad mo. So, ayan, more blessing to come. Stay ambor, ingat palagi. Huwag magpabaya sa sarili. At siyempre, tuwing may mission po kayo, so, ayan, huwag makakalimutan magdasal kayo lahat. So, ayan, once again, happy birthday. So, ayan, inshallah, marami ka pang matulungan ng mga tao na nangangailangan ng tulong, kagaya po natin. So, yan lang, at maraming salamat. Prof. MG, once again, happy birthday. Love na love po kita. So, ayan, CHMI community, I love you all.
Hello, Coach MJ. I just wanna greet to you that happy birthday. Yes, sana gabayan ka pa ng iyong ala. At sana ay pagpalain ka pa ng husto. And more birthday to come and more blessings to come and more PNs to come dyan. Happy birthday again.
Hello, Coach MJ. Happy birthday. Ano nga siya? 26 yun. 26th birthday and more years pa na darating sa buhay mo at bibigay sa'yo ni Allah. And get this show. Ulit, happy birthday.
Ayan, good morning. So, once again, happy birthday, Prof. MG Halili, one of the Limi founder. Ayan, happy birthday. More birthday to come. At lalo kang gabayan ng ala na mas lalong pagpapalain ang inyong business at mas lalo kang tulungan ng ala para mas mag-grow sa business na ginagawa natin at mas lalo pang marami pang leaders na darating sa iyong team. Happy birthday and God bless to you.
Agoy. Hello, happy birthday po Coach MG, our founder ng Limi team. And wish ko lang po na naway gabayan ka po palagi ng Allah at ang iyong pamilya, and more birthdays and more years to come. And wish ko lang po na more abundance and overflow blessings in your team and sa sa community. And thank you po sa pagiging isang mabuting kaibigan sa amin, at naway hindi ka po magbabago, at yun po, stay as what you are and who you are. Yun lang po, and again, happy birthday po Coach MG. Enjoy your day.
Good morning and good evening, good afternoon, good day. And then, happy birthday nga pala. Alam ko 27 ka na, kahit di mo sabihin. Tanda mo na, wala ka pang joke. Dapat mag-asawa ka na. Parang tinamaan kaya tanang kanta, bro pa. Love you. And sana lahat ng pangarap mo ay matupad. And salamat nga pala dahil nakilala kita. Dahil nagkaroon ako ng kaibigan na makulit. At palagi akong napapasaya sa tuwing nalulungkot. And salamat din dahil sa tuwing may problema ako, nandyan ka nakikinig. Love you, Prof. MJ. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Prof. MJ. My all wishes come true, Prof. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Prof. MJ. It's my wish for you. Inshallah, all your dreams come true. Happy birthday.
Alright, so good morning. Happy birthday, bro MJ. Ang wish ko sa'yo, more blessings to come, more birthdays, and stay humble and good health. Happy birthday,
Ayun, happy birthday sa aming poging apply na si Coach MJ. Syempre, wish ko lang sa iyo is good health and more pain to come and more birthday to come, syempre. So, ayun. See you around, see you tomorrow, see you later.
Happy birthday, Coach MJ! Woo!
Good morning, happy birthday, Coach MJ. One of the Mac 13 of our CHMI community. Yan, ang wish ko sa'yo, next year, 2024, you drive your own first car. Katas ng Limi. Yan, God bless you and have a good day.